Moving on to the next one. 0.75 of 2.4. 0.75 is a decimal. I'm going to express that as a fraction. 0.75, we should know 0.75 is equal to 3/4. And what if I didn't know that? Well, let's go and do that one. 0.75. I'm going to express 0.75 as a fraction. Well, 0.75, one decimal place, two decimal places is equal to 75 over 100. 75 over 100, I can simplify that fraction. 25 goes into the top 3 times, and that 25 needs to go into the bottom, which goes in 4 times, so it's equal to 3/4. Now, 3/4 of 2.4. 3/4 of 24, and I can put in my decimal point, or I can do it as I go along. So let's get some paper here. 3/4 of 2.4, 4 into 2.4. Remember, I'm holding the decimal. 4 into 2 doesn't go. Bring over my 2. 4 into 24 goes in 6 times. Now I multiply it by 3. 3 6s are 18. Decimal point here, decimal point down here. 3 zeros is 0, and 3 1 plus your 1 is 1. So my answer is equal to 1.8. So 0.75 or 2.4 is 1.8. A train left at 17:35 and arrived at midnight. How long did the journey take? Now, so we're going from 17:35 up as far as 0-100 hours, or 24 hours. So I'm going to go from 17.35 or 17:35, excuse me, to the next hour, which is 6 o'clock or 1800, and that's 25 minutes. And then from 1800 to 24, that's 6 hours. Put the two of them together. So my answer here is 6 hours and 25 minutes. 6 hours, 25 minutes. Next one, 17.2 by 100. Now, when I'm multiplying by 100, I move the decimal place 1 place, 2 places to the right. So it is 17.200, and I'm moving that decimal place 2 places to the right when I multiply by 100. It'll end up here. So my answer is 1,720. Round 9.95 to 1 decimal place. It's currently 2 decimal places. We look at the second decimal place, or the hundredths. The 5 rounds up the 9, which actually rounds up the next whole number, so it actually rounds up to 10.0. How many degrees is angle A? Well, we know a straight line is 180 degrees, and we have an angle here of 50 degrees, leaving this angle here 130 degrees, because 50 plus 130 makes 180. So the answer is 130 degrees. Moving on to number 14. 10 markers cost $4.50. How much would 3 markers cost? These sums are called unit pricing. So we know the price of 10 markers. We know the price of this. You know the price of 10 markers, and the price of 10 markers is €4.50. So I'll find the price of 1 marker by dividing 10 into 450, which is 45 cents. Now I'm going to find the price of 3 markers, which is 3 times the 45 cents. Well, 3 times 50 cents is 150, so 3 times 40 cents is 150 minus 5 cents that I'm shy, which is 15 cents, which will give me €1.35. Okay, pick the signs greater than, less than, or equal to fill the frame. 0.75, some operation, 5/8, excuse me. Sorry, now I'll explain that one again. So we got 0.75, and we have to put in greater than, less than, or equal to, and 5/8. Well, 0.75, let's express that as a fraction. That's equal to 3/4. 3/4, let's express that as equivalent of 8ths. So double 4 to get your 8, so double the numerator to get 6. So 6/8 and 5/8. Well, we know 6/8 is greater than 5/8. 6/8 is greater than 5/8.